Allimax, Diabalife, Allicin, 500 mg, 30 vegetarian capsules. Product overview description. VolDox 100% stabilized powder capsules, sugar-free, safe, natural, effective dietary supplement. 100% stabilized allicin, patented good manufacturing practice, GMP quality product. GRAS, generally recognized as safe, made with non-GMO ingredients. Food supplement. Diabalife 500 mg capsule contains 125 mg 100% stabilized allicin powder, which is the main ingredient, combined with other unique extracts in the Diabalife formulation, which improves blood glucose control when used in conjunction with a sensible diet and physical exercise. Suggested use. Take 1 to 3 capsules daily with a meal or as directed by your healthcare physician. Maximum daily intake must not exceed 6 capsules. Other ingredients: cellulose, cornstarch. Warnings: store in a cool, dry place. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if safety seal is damaged or missing. If you are allergic to any of the ingredients in Diabalife, please stop taking the capsules and consult your doctor. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.